You as a student, you want to be independent from your family, have an independent career, and be financially successful. It's not a one-time gift that you become independent once you graduate from college. You have to keep on fighting to build up a career to make sure you're constantly independent and constantly financially successful. So remember one thing is that your independence is not a one-off. Make sure you work hard at it, make sure you financially fight for it, keep developing yourself to be a great individual, such to be part of this great nation.
इंडिपेंडेंस डे के मायने हर आदमी के लिए अलग होते हैं। मेरे ख्याल से एक ग्रेजुएट के लिए इंडिपेंडेंस या इंडिपेंडेंस डे वो है जब उसका करियर स्टार्ट हो, जब उसका लाइफ नेक्स्ट फेज पे पहुंचे।
Independence to me means having the freedom to pursue your education without any limitations in your life. I feel a strong connection to my institute's values of empowering students by making them independent thinkers and also giving them hands-on experience on the current industrial learnings.
Knowledge that you gain over here is something that will widely contribute to your decision-making process. This will make your decision more sane, sound, and practical. This, I believe, is a part of what would contribute to independence and freedom of thought.
Independence to me is not only about having the opportunity or the freedom to do whatever you want, it's also about being able to have the capabilities to maximize on that opportunity. And I think that is where TSCFM as an institute comes in play, enabling us with the opportunity to make mistakes so that we can hone on these skill sets, so that actually in the industry when we have to prove ourselves, we have the independence to do so.
I would like to wish Happy Independence Day to all my past, present and future students. May this year be the best year of your life in terms of starting a stable and healthy career. All the best.
Wish you a happy Independence Day.